Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME C63 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find sounds and vibration. Then let's scroll down and find this ringtone and alert sounds. And as you can see, we've got two different ringtones which are divided between two different SIM cards, which basically means that you can set totally different ringtone for the first SIM card and totally different for another one. Let me show you how to do it using the first SIM card. However, it does not really matter because this operation looks the same in both. Alright, so after tapping on the specific SIM card, we will be transferred to the full list of available ringtones from which we can choose. At the bottom of this list, we've got this option Add Ringtone. So if you've got something, for example, downloaded from the internet, then you will be able to find it somewhere here. You have to look through those sections, through those folders, and then after finding it, you will be able to tap on it and apply it as a ringtone. If you prefer to choose something from pre-installed ones, you can of course check how they sound. So simply tap on the specific ringtone, and then you will be able to decide whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I want this delight to be set as my ringtone. So just make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, this device will use the chosen ringtone to notify me about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.